Happy birthday to me. Hi guys and welcome to another episode of Bake with Shivesh. And it's my birthday today. And one question that I get asked very often is whether I bake a cake for myself for my birthday. And the answer is yes. Every year I bake a cake for myself and this year is no different. This year I'm baking a chocolate chip cake with my friends Shruti,
Hi.
Varun and Himansh. So आइए शुरू करते हैं. Let's get baking. तो इन लोगों को तो आती नहीं है baking, so probably सारा काम मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा. But I decided कि इस यार इनसे थोड़ा सा काम करवाएंगे. Let's see how it goes.
मैं शिवेश की हिंदी के लिए अपोलोजाइज करना चाहूँगा. शिवेश की हिंदी इज द
Guts.
इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ लगान में जो ब्रिटिशर्स होते थे जो कहते थे तुम इंडियंस हमारा जूता के नीचे हुआ यार.
Guts. Guys, let's start. We're starting with vegetable oil. Shruti, can you put it in the big bowl?
वेजिटेबल ऑयल.
Vegetable oil and castor sugar. Varun, please do the honors.
All of it?
Yes, all of it. We'll mix the castor sugar and the oil together. Himansh,
Okay.
this.
Don't eat it.
So I am using vegetable oil. You can use equal quantities of softened butter if you like. I'll add 2 eggs, one at a time, and Himansh can keep mixing. 1 egg. Just mix the egg in, and the second egg. So simple, easy,
Very
great.
Dated well.
They're clearly having too much fun, but this much is enough. And now we'll work on the dry ingredients. Varun, you can
Okay.
add the flour.
Okay. I'm
So
adding the flour,
all-purpose
as you-
flour or maida in a bowl. And to this, the baking powder. So the baking powder might look like it's a lot, but let me tell you, this is the magic quantity and works perfectly well for this recipe. Magic quantity. So yes, the
Magic
baking powder into the flour. And I'll borrow Shruti's mic to just mix it well. Alright, so the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients all ready. And now we'll add the flour mixture into our egg mixture.
Okay.
Who wants to do this? Okay, great.
Exciting.
More. Wow.
Crazy.
Actually, for those of you who don't know, these are my friends from college. I studied political science at Hindu College, and that's how I met them.
Study.
Yeah, not really studied, but as in yes, I met these guys in Hindu College, and this is 5 years back.
Right. 5 years.
5 years back.
5 years.
Tough life. And the rest of. And now finally the milk. Shruti can keep mixing.
He's
Go for it.
very, smart here. He does
Of
it all
course.
well. But in reality, Shivesh is the most, what do we say, callous person I've ever met.
Rubbish.
He's lost his phone. He's lost his wallet. He's barely not lost
my
himself.
debit cards.
His
my
debit
cards.
cards.
I
And then
keep
he's
losing a
normal
lot
about
of things. Yeah,
Yeah,
true.
right.
Can't deny that.
Anybody?
Listen, remember when we used to go to the police station?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Because I lost what?
Your ID card.
My ID card. So I lost my ID card, and this was in second year, I think.
You were so scared to
So
enter the
scared. So
police
the second year, and I lost my ID card, and this was a week before exam. So I needed the ID card to get my admit card to sit for the exam. So I remember literally all of these guys took me to a police station because we had to file a report. And
Just another day in our life.
just casual stuff, going to a police station in
All of you out
after
there
college.
thinking it's so great to be Shirish's friend.
It is.
It's not
It
easy.
is.
It's
I
great.
just make you do things
It's
like
not
take
easy.
me to the police station, talk to the policeman
Yeah.
for
So he
me,
bakes
file a
also cake.
report.
Yeah.
Huh.
On all our
He
birthdays,
makes
so.
me
See?
cake
Yeah.
every birthday.
Yeah, every-
Exactly. See,
Yeah. He makes me
it's 3
okay.
versus 1. One final touch, which is the vanilla essence.
Right now.
We'll get back to you in a couple of hours.
Years later.
Because it's a nice and thick vanilla extract, which really makes all the difference.
This is actually fast forward. It will
All right. Chalo, mix
Thick
this
is
in,
always good.
and then Himansh can taste the batter. Chalo, and mix it in for you. And now you can taste it. So this batter is actually a thick batter so that all the chocolate chips that we will add in don't sink to the bottom. Now who wants to do the favorite part, add all these chocolate chips in to the batter?
All of us.
Okay guys, together.
It's your birthday.
Together.
All of it?
Together.
Oh my God.
Varun.
You please.
Yay! Alright. Gross. And just mix this in. Alright, so the batter looks good and I'll divide this into 2 cake pans.
3. Right?
No, 2. Because we're making a 2-layer chocolate chip cake.
Right.
Just give it back.
How could I not know? That's the baker that I am.
Awesome. And just spread it. All right. So I've divided the batter into 2 4.5-inch round cake pan, which I've also lightly brushed with melted butter. You can also make a big 9-inch cake with this recipe. Okay guys, now into the oven.
Make the knife.
You take one, you take one. The oven's preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Where are you going? The oven is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius and the cake will take about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. To test whether the cake is done or not, just insert a skewer right into the center and if it comes out clean, you know your cake is done.
So if you think Shreya standing in the middle of the frame here is part of some coincidence, it's not. It's a result of extremely meticulous planning because Shreya cannot bear to be in the corner of the frame.
I always have to be in the middle. All the group pictures actually, if you ever look at all the pictures that we've taken in the last 5 years,
You can look sidey by standing next to him. It doesn't
I always have to
the
be in the
picture.
middle of the pictures. I have a thing.
He'll push you, shove you, anything that he can.
You have to be
but-
nice to
And
me
he
guys,
has
it's
the
my
phone
birthday.
with the best camera. So if he's not in the middle of the
Those
Yeah.
pictures are all
those pictures
deleted.
just
Yeah.
vanish.
They'll
never- they
never
never-
reach anyone.
Nobody knows where they've gone. Yeah.
True. Alright, Chalo, it's been 30 minutes now. So I think I give the responsibility to Shruti to go and check whether the cake is done or not.
चलो थोड़ा सा Wingardium Leviosa करो.
Yay! Alright, so our cake is done. You can take a closer look and see how pretty it is.
Before we eat it.
Before we eat it. But before we eat it, you have to let the cake cool completely. And meanwhile, we'll work on our chocolate cream cheese frosting.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
For
Yeah.
the frosting? Alright, so let's get started. We'll start with half a cup of butter. Make sure your butter is softened, otherwise you'll get a lumpy frosting, which is a big no-no. And then the cream cheese, which again should be softened. Struggles.
I'm left-handed, I'm sorry.
And then mix it in. I'm using a stand mixer to make the frosting. You can use a regular electric mixer or just a hand whisk. Lame friends. Okay, so the butter and cream cheese have to become nice and fluffy, and then we'll start to add the icing sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time.
Spending his birthday in Italy this time. Last time was what country?
Taiwan.
Taiwan, yeah. श्रुति का बर्थडे होता है तो हिमांश का मना लेते हैं, हिमांश का बर्थडे होता है तो श्रुति का मना लेते हैं. That's the limit of our travel plans when it comes to our birthday, but of course.
Yeah. हिमांश प्लीज चलो. ये भी पकड़ना. Done. All right. And now to this, we'll add the cocoa powder, which is our final touch, and then our frosting will be ready. Ew. Chalo, add the cocoa powder.
Respect.
Actually, one of my favorite frostings. Chalo, now let's save some for the
One
cake.
of our favorite frosting too.
I eat whatever I can.
Ever.
And now
This is my first frosting.
Yeah.
let's get the cake dressed up. All right. So we'll start by placing one layer of the cake on the plate. Add a generous dollop of the frosting. Using an offset spatula, just spread it towards the edges. Now the second layer.
This wasn't two cakes.
No, this
was
is one
cake.
layer. One layer, I'm saying.
What?
It's one cake. ठीक है. And now
I'm quite the baker.
more frosting on top.
One was so bad at art. इसका stick man जो बनाता था वो भी ugly होता था. I don't
ये
know how-
birthday next month होगा.
It's okay.
Please,
It's okay. नहीं नहीं आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा. Shruti, you want to try? Go for it.
Yes, good start.
Shruti, gentle. So the trick is to not let the frosting come on top of the spatula.
Yeah.
Okay, and then. All right, and now no birthday cake is complete without
The cake.
without sprinkles, you guys. So sprinkles now. Let's go, guys.
Oh,
Like sprinkle bake, like salt bake.
God, I got something for you.
Okay.
That's right. Every day's my birthday 'cause bitches love cake.
And aunties too.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Please.
Okay.
Both for you. Guts. Come back. All right, thank you so much. This was definitely the most special YouTube video on my channel so far. And thank you guys for watching this video.
You will never see us again.
You will. And I'll be back.
Nobody cares about
And
us.
I'll be back next week
Happy
with
birthday,
another recipe.
happy
Thank you. Thank you and see you soon.
Ow.